Mint is one of the easiest herbs to grow and is highly rewarding for both beginners and experienced gardeners. It thrives in almost any type of soil, though it prefers a rich, well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Start by choosing a location with partial to full sunlight. Mint can tolerate some shade, but it grows best when it receives at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. If planting in a garden bed, be aware that mint spreads aggressively, so consider using a container or planting it in a confined space to prevent it from overtaking other plants. To plant mint, you can use seeds, cuttings, or small nursery plants. Seeds can be sown directly into the soil, lightly covered, and kept consistently moist until germination occurs. Cuttings are a faster method. Simply take a healthy stem, remove the lower leaves, and place it in water or directly into moist soil until roots develop. Once planted, water regularly, keeping the soil consistently damp but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can slow growth. Fertilizing is optional but can help encourage lush growth. Use a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer once a month during the growing season. Pruning is important to maintain the plant's shape and encourage new growth. Regularly pinch or cut stems just above a pair of leaves. Harvesting should be done in the morning when the essential oils are most concentrated. Leaves can be used fresh, dried, or frozen for later use. Mint can also be grown indoors in pots on windowsills. Ensure it receives adequate light, either naturally or with the help of grow lights, and keep the soil moist. With proper care, mint grows quickly, producing fragrant, flavorful leaves that enhance teas, dishes, and desserts throughout the year.